Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to change your Gmail password. So let's begin. First of all, you just need to open your Gmail app. Right now you just need to select on the top right hand corner your profile icon. Then select manage your Google account. Right now select security and sign in. Right now you just need to scroll down and you can find the option password. Simply select it. So after select here you can see there have a option new password and confirm new password. So guys, you just need to type your new password here and you just need to type your new password again here. Here you can see, and after type uh, you just need to select change password and you can easily change your Gmail password. So I hope you can understand. Thanks for watching this video.